Hello everyone, welcome back to the Agri-Adventure YouTube channel. So today we are gonna have an exciting day. We're gonna visit Something Wild in the Central Market in Adelaide. Something Wild is a shop where you can find native Aboriginal ingredients for cooking, so herbs, spices, also meat. And today they have organized a sensory masterclass where it will be possible for us to learn more about how to use these products. So enjoy it. Let's go to the Central Market. So here we are at the Central Market in Adelaide. Today is Monday, so few stands are closed. Now I just to figure it out where is Something Wild. Let's see where they are.
I probably want to make mention of the Aboriginal people of this land, which is the Kaurna people, which runs from Cape Jervis all the way out to Port Broughton area. Thank you for coming. What's going on here? Everything's just falling over here. So yeah, basically I'm going to show you a few native ingredients, stuff that Something Wild harvested, wild harvest, but also hydroponically grown as well. What I'm trying to do, I suppose, with native ingredients is set it up so that you can buy a lot of this stuff all year round. When we first started the business, it was very hard to. It is originally from New South Wales area, and they're actually farms. So if you want to give one of those a try. I don't know if you've tried one before. Just watch out for the pip in them. You might want to get. Didn't like it? Oh yeah, napkins. Cultural side for me, I like to talk about it a bit more and put into a cultural sense, I suppose. But basically, the way where I'm from, there's a moiety, which in the Latin word it means half, and my people we have 8 clans that are Yiddicha clans, which are yin and yang, pretty much. And Yiddicha clan and Dua clan. So I'm a Yiddicha man, and the other 8 clans are Dua clans. So we marry into those clans. So Yiddicha people have to marry Dua people, and Dua have to marry Yiddicha. And that's basically the same with these plums, the ants, rosella. You talk about paperbark, the skies, the stars, the sun. Everything is either Yiddicha Dua. So I can't eat that. And then obviously on the other side there'd be stingray, which those people wouldn't eat, but we can eat that. So it crosses over sort of thing. And it probably comes down to sustainability side of things. And if you have all clans eating crocodile, then obviously there's none. So
can you eat the whole fruit? Or?
Yeah, you can eat the whole fruit. So I will give you a.
So was it?
Fantastic.
Good, you like it?
Yeah, I hope you know. If there's any questions, I suppose, to let me know a few things. But yeah, thank you for coming.
I have seen so many interesting native ingredients showcased in this experience in a really interesting way. So I really wish I would have had this opportunity 10 years ago when I came here in Adelaide the first time. I was probably gonna enjoy Australia in a different way, learning more about the native ingredients and learning more about the culture behind. So I say that for everyone that is coming in South Australia, not because it's on the platform, not because it's something that I believe, but you should do it. You should do it because really you are going to understand more about the culture, just tasting products, and that's cool, so cool. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you like it, just thumb up, subscribe, leave your comments, let me know what you think, because that is the most important thing. If you want to see something else, I can figure it out how to put it on. Thank you, see you next time. Ciao!